Alright, now I'm saying this, folks, because in as much as we are the generation which we are, there is much increase in wickedness, which is lawlessness, is gaining the ranks daily. And the reason behind all that is that we mostly lack the spirit of tearing, which is the spirit of waiting. That's Jesus speaking these words in the book of Luke chapter 24, I believe from verse 49. He said, wait until you are endued with power. Then Isaiah spoke this mystery, Isaiah 40 from verse 29. He gave power to the faint. Then he says, those who wait upon the Lord will be renewed their strength. So there is this thing which we as this generation, we are really needing: the grace to tarry, the spirit of grace, the spirit of supplication. As Zechariah once wrote that, upon the remnant I will pour out the spirit of grace and the spirit of supplication. So Jeremiah 6:16 tells us that there are things which the God of heaven has planned by himself, has purposed in his heart, which we can never change. Then we have tend to go and preach mostly with powerful sound systems, powerful verses, but we lack the power of him whom we speak about. So there is this place where I believe by now we are called to, which is a secret place where we will seek the power of the Most High. We carry it so that it sweep the nation. Yesterday, which is the 21st of May 2025, I was listening to one thing which it bothered me the whole night. I couldn't sleep. I failed to sleep because of how whites are trusting upon the power of technology. There is God whom we must consult now. And in consulting him, there is a challenge that we must just lay ourselves as a burden unto him so that we call upon